Hello, this is Ed Smith from Southern Maryland. Just wanted to come on real quick and give you a quick overview of this whole process and give you a way ahead of what to expect with this program. Just a quick background. There are a lot of people in the current economic environment who are struggling financially as a result of either being laid off or having their hours drastically reduced or even having their hourly wage, cut or reduced during this whole social distancing COVID, esque environment. And people are struggling. And so they're trying to find ways to make ends meet, to survive basically by making money by any means necessary. So with that thought in mind, I put this simple little program together to help people learn how to make money online. A lot of people have the desire, and because we're all home, they're turning to online as a means to make money, but they don't really know how to do it. So this program was put together just with that idea in mind, to help people get their foot in the door in terms of making money online. And we're utilizing a simple concept of basic direct sales. Okay. So what we are selling in this instance is a digital asset, a website. Whether you realize it or not, website design is huge business. There are a lot of companies, there are a lot of, sole proprietors. There are a lot of people who do things like, yard sales and network marketing and things like that, who need websites. And website design is a huge business. And in fact, just to show you that it is legit business, let me go to a site called Fiverr. It's a freelance service site called Fiverr, Fiverr. And if you go to Fiverr and search website design, just do a quick search, okay? You'll see tons of people charging all kinds of rates for website design and website services, okay? Look at this. It's all over the place. The range, it goes from, $20, $30 to $850, to I saw one that hit $1,300 for web design, and that's just for basic. You notice it says starting at. Website design is huge business, okay? But a lot of people don't have the skill set to build websites. So this program is designed to allow you to tap into that market a little bit without actually having to create the designs from scratch. I'm giving you templates to go with this website that you can use, okay, as an option. Now, here's the deal. You can go two ways with this program. You can either market the program itself and make money from that, or you can take it a step further and take the templates that I give you and make edits to those. And then you can sell those just like the people on Fiverr for whatever rate you choose to make, okay? So this site is designed to be a means to an end, all right? It is not designed to make you wealthy at all. It is simply designed to get your foot in the door, okay? So here's how it works. This program is website design, website sales, okay? So you buy this simple little one-page website, which is kind of like your cover page for your resume, okay? It's just basically introducing the program and showing you how it works, okay? But you buy this site for $10. You also get resale rights to this site, okay? And it becomes your digital asset that you can then turn around and sell. You could buy it and then 5 minutes later start selling it. That's how simple this whole concept is, okay? But when you get it, you'll brand it to yourself. You'll change out the picture. This will be your image, your name, your location here, okay? There are just certain little tweaks you have to make to brand it to you, and then you can resell it. The way this process works, the way the package works, is there are what I call 3 tiers, but it's basically like, an upsell or a level, whatever you want to call it. I just called it tiers. Now, let me just clarify something. A lot of you may or may not be familiar with the concept of network marketing or MLM or things like that. This is not that concept. There are 3 levels to this, but it has nothing to do with you're making money off the sales of other people. This is strictly a 1-for-1 direct sales of a digital asset. That's all this is. You make a sale, you get direct commission. I don't make any money off what you sell. You won't make any money off what other people sell. You are simply selling a tool to an end user. Okay. In this case, it's whoever needs a website. So there are two ways you can go with this. Like I mentioned, one, you can make money off simply selling this program. And it's 3 levels to the program. Okay. Or like I said, you could take the back end products and sell those and make an unlimited amount of money. It's up to you how you do it. It's your business. Once you make the purchase, you get resale rights for all 3. It's your business. You can do with it what you choose. Okay. So here's a hypothetical example. And the only reason I put this amount here is just to give you a target, because people, we need goals. We need targets. We need something to reach for. And so that's what this amount right here is about. It's just simply a goal for you to strive to. You can make more, you can make less. You can do it in 14 days, you can do it in less time, you can do it in more time. It all depends on you. Now, for the earnings disclaimer, you have to say there are no guarantees of income. Okay, it's all based on what you do. And in this instance, it's all about direct sales. So it's all about you and how hard you want to go with it. You can make as little or as much as you want to, just simply marketing this program itself. And I'll explain a little bit more here in a minute. But here's a hypothetical example. If, let's say our target is 8.6K, okay? All it takes is 10 sales to make that happen. And here's how it works. The idea is you only come out of pocket one time, a minimal amount. And then from that point forward, all your future expenses are covered from the proceeds of sales, okay? So it's business. It is a legitimate business, as I just showed you on Fiverr. Website design is a legitimate business. With any business comes business expenses. So the cool thing about online is the expenses are significantly lower than if you were trying to do a brick and mortar, like you were trying to open a Subway franchise or a McDonald's franchise or a Starbucks franchise. That's going to cost you hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to get going. For online, you have minimal expenses. In this case, your expense is $10 right now. And in fact, all total, you will only ever come out of pocket $11. Everything else will come out of proceeds. Everything else. And here's how that would work. On tier 1, when you buy this basic $10 site, you make 10 sales. That'll give you $100. It takes $100 to upgrade to tier 2, which is the next site. And I'll show you a little bit later on. It takes 10 sales to make the $100 to upgrade to tier 2. From tier 2, now you're selling at $100. 10 sales gives you $1,000. To upgrade to tier 3, all you need is $750. So you put $250 in your pocket, use the $750, invest back into your business, make the purchase, and then you're selling the tier 3, $750 times 10 gives you $7,500. So all 3, that gives you the 8.6K. That's our target. Now, again, this amount is just for illustrative purposes only. You can make more, you can make less. You can do it in a shorter amount of time. You can do it in a longer period of time. It's up to you. You are in total control of this process. Okay. So you basically go through this page, this site. This video that you're watching right now will be right here. You go through the site, read all the information. If you decide you want to take part, you would click here to upgrade to tier 1. That's to purchase your $10 site. And here's where the other dollar comes in. Step 1, you follow the steps. Step 1 is you have to get a software program called Kartra, okay? And you get a 14-day trial for $1. After that, it's $99 a month. But here's the cool part. When you sign up for Kartra, you can also become an independent affiliate of Kartra. And then you would put your affiliate link here so that when people go to your site and make a purchase, they are purchasing Kartra through you. And you make a 40% commission off their $99 monthly fee. So essentially, 3 sales, Kartra is going to pay for itself. So you have no out-of-pocket expense for Kartra either. Okay. And by virtue of the way we're doing this process, 10 sales, you're already going to have your 3 that you need to cover your monthly expenses. So your Kartra account is free, essentially. Okay. So it's 100% commission. Like I said, these buttons right here, you would edit those and put in your Cash App, your PayPal. If you want to do something else like Stripe or Zelle or Google Pay, you can put in whatever pay options you want here. It's your site. This is just a template. You can edit it as you desire. Okay. So, but for now, I just put Cash App and PayPal, but you can switch them out to whatever you want. Then you will get back with the person who referred you here. And what's going to happen is they will then push a version of this to your Kartra account. And then you will go in, and that's where you make your tweaks and your edits. And there's a video in the support group down here in part 4. There's videos to show you how to make these edits. And it's real simple. It's really just point and click. And that's how you do it. Okay. So that's tier 1. The concept basically repeats itself for tier 2 and tier 3. But the difference is tier 1 is just to get you going, basically. Tier 2 and tier 3 is where you make the real money, because tier 2 is an intermediate site. It's all about branding. Business owners, people who market online, need a method to brand themselves, to put their face out there into the market. And so what you can do is create a simple site to help them brand themselves. And I'll show you what that kind of looks like right now, just so you have an idea. Okay. So here's the tier 2. And again, you get the same cover letter. You would edit the picture and your name once you make the purchase, read through, gives you information about what this is all about. But basically you have the option. You do not have to, but you have the option to then you're going to get this second website as a template. You can make edits to the website, and you would do it in your Kartra account. And it's as simple as basically hovering over whatever, the image, the words, whatever, and a little pencil will show up and you click it, and then it's editable, and it's all drag and drop, point and click. It's simple to do, but there's training in the support group about that. So as an option, you can also take this site and market it in and of itself as a separate thing and make an unlimited amount of money. As you saw on Fiverr, you saw the realm from $30 to $1,500 or more. You can do that using this site, and you can sell it to business people. Okay, simple thing. You do not have to, but you could. It's just an option for you. All right. So that's why I said you can tap into the website design market without actually having to create the stuff from scratch, because it's all there for you as a template. You can just drag and drop and update and click. So it's a beautiful thing. So same thing. Tier 2 to upgrade, you click here. It's $100, 100% commission again to whoever site this is. You would exchange these buttons for your payment options. And this is just a reminder, if you haven't joined Kartra, you have to, in order to get your sites and in order to get stuff, so you can edit. All right. So that's how that works for tier 2. So you get both assets in tier 2, both this little cover page and the other branding site. Okay. And then on the pro level, tier 3, once you're ready for that, every time you're ready to upgrade, you go back to the person who sent you here, and you tell them you're ready. They will give you their site, and then you go through, read down, click the button, upgrade. Okay. And that's the cool part about it. Your initial $10 sales creates repeat customers for you, because when they go through the training, they're going to be told basically the same thing that you're getting told, to upgrade to the next tier after 10 sales. So they're going to do the exact same thing you do. So they're coming back to you going, hey, give me your next site. So you get a built-in repeat customer program right there. Okay. So it's a very, very cool thing. Now, tier 3 is about the business in a box sales funnel program. Okay. So you're basically the website that you're pushing, you're selling as an option is a sales funnel, what they call a sales funnel. Okay. And a sales funnel, in case you don't know, is basically a means of doing two things. One, capturing visitor information, and 2, making a presentation of some sort. And it can be whatever you sell. If you are, promoting a company, a product, a service, whatever, an opportunity, it doesn't matter. You can use a sales funnel to promote it. And what this does is you get two pages. The front page looks like this. It's what's called a capture page, and it does what it says it does. Capture, name, email, and then they hit send. Okay. And what this does is it does a few things. For one, it allows you to build a list, a mailing list, basically, of emails. You get people's emails that you can then go back to them later on and market other stuff and recommend other stuff. So you can, you have basically a customer for life that you can keep reselling stuff to over and over again. But also what this does is it gives you what's called a lead magnet. In this case, it's a PDF report on how to boost your social media engagement. Okay. You provide that to them as an incentive to get them to give you your name and email. So it's kind of, killing two birds with one stone, as they say. Okay. So that's the gist of the tier. And the second page is a presentation page. And let me show you real quick what that would look like. The second page, hang on one second. Let me get there. Basically, the second page is a presentation page. You can present whatever it is you desire. Okay. In this case, we have a pre-built program already in the back end that can make you even more money if you choose to use it. Okay. This is just a quick introductory video. All of this is changeable and editable. You can make it to whatever program you want, but I highly recommend you take a look at this program that's already built in, because this is a phenomenal program in the personal financial services industry. Okay. It's about basically debt and wealth management, credit management, budgeting, financial planning, wealth generation. I mean, it's a whole bunch of financial assets. Okay. And the cool part is you get access to a group of financial professionals who will do all this stuff for you. You're not doing anything yourself. They're doing it all for you. Okay. But the best side of it is they have an opportunity on the back end where you can market their services for them and get paid a commission. Okay. So the whole idea of affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, you are marketing other people's services and getting a commission for the sale. Okay. That's what this is all about. And in this case, this program is just phenomenal. And this right here is what they call the 6-figure guaranteed income. By promoting their services, you're virtually guaranteed a 6-figure income from just promoting their services. So it is an amazing opportunity. And you have a few testimonials down here. But if you don't want to market this particular opportunity, you can edit this and change it to whatever you want. So what this does is two things. One, if you wanted to sell this to business owners, saying, hey, here's a way you can market your services, you can charge them whatever you want for this particular template, and they can tailor it to themselves, or you can tailor it for them to whatever they want. Or you can use it to just promote whatever you want to promote, i.e. like this program right here. You can use it to promote whatever you want with this template. Okay, so it's multifaceted and it's designed to give you several options so that you can win. Okay, so that's that. In the same concept, you would go here when you're ready to upgrade, click on tier 3, go through the steps and make the purchase. All right, and then once you make the purchase, this becomes yours and you can sell it on your own. So you basically have two options. One, you can simply market this program as a whole and make money from this. And the money you make from this, you can use to do whatever you want. You can use it. I would recommend investing it into something that's going to make you more money, like another business, or, put it in the bank or pay some bills or whatever. Make it useful. Don't just squander the money, But this will make you a little bit of money. And then, like I showed you with the other program, on the back end, you can make a ton more money with the 6-figure guaranteed income of that other program. Okay. Or your other option is you could take the digital assets that you get, the two sites, the branded site, and then the other sales funnel site, and you can market those as standalones and make whatever amount you want to make, whatever amount you want to choose, like the people on Fiverr. Okay. So there it is. That's how this program works. If this sounds like what you want to do, then just scroll down, click here to upgrade to tier 1, follow the instructions, get back with the person who sent you here and let them know so they can push your copy to your Kartra account, and then just go from there. The sky's the limit. It is up to you. All right. If you have any questions, come down here to the support group, post them in there. You can network in there. You can ask questions. We'll have training tailored to whatever you need. Okay. So with that, I'm going to punch out, and I hope to see you on the inside. All right. So take care.